I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Good morning, guys, how you doing? I just wake up. As you can see, my hair is still messy and I'm still sleepy. It's just 8 o'clock. And check this out, where is Winnie and what she's doing. She's chilling in jacuzzi at the morning. Let's see. Oh!
Hi, honey. Hi, honey. How are you? Good morning.
Hi, sayang.
Hi, good morning. You
What are
just
you
wake
doing?
up?
Chilling from morning in jacuzzi.
Yeah. The water in the pool next door is cold. For me,
Really?
it's cold. So that's why I just decided to jump in jacuzzi and chill out before I have a breakfast.
Oh, nice.
Come, join us.
I will join, yeah?
Yeah. Alright. So Damian finally jumped to that jacuzzi. As I said that, you know, the water in the normal pool is quite cold for me, like, you know, in the morning it's quite cold, so I just decided to jump to jacuzzi. And then yeah, actually that this morning he's just, you know, too lazy to wake up because you know, he's not a morning person personally. So yeah, in the morning I said I want to jump to the pool. If you want to just sleep, okay, just sleep. But yeah, I decide to have a dip before I have a morning breakfast. Alright, so now I have a breakfast while Damian have a American breakfast as usual. And I have my mie goreng. For local tummy, no nasi, no noodle, no eating.
As usual.
Selamat makan.
I'm waiting for my coffee still.
And I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Sorry, I'm still busy working.
Alright, guys, so we checked out from the hotel and now we are in the Jimbaran.
Yeah.
We're planning to go to Ibiza in Bali. This is one of the newest clubs in Bali, next to the beachfront, very close to the airport, by the way. Yes, sayang?
Yeah, just close by Kalan Beach, close by Jimbaran.
It's just next to the fish market in Jimbaran, actually.
Yeah.
Never been here. It's only open at Saturday and Sundays, only at weekends, no days, so it's worth to try. Right, let's go, let's try. By the way, I hope so they're gonna allow me to record there.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else.
my melody.
So we was in Ibiza in Bali. The shots what you saw before is from that place. Now we are just walking on the Jimbaran beach, very close to
Kalan
the
beach, actually.
Kalan beach. It's actually area between airport and fish
Jimbaran
market.
Beach. Yeah, fish market.
So many fisherman boats around. Yeah. You wanna say something, Sam?
Yeah, so after, you know, like we chill out in the club and then we just decided to have a walk to get a more fresh air.
Yeah. I will show you guys how it is
Yeah.
over here.
When I go to reach out and to roam, there is no perception of a home. For when it's all been said and done, I know how to act when nothing's what it seems. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. I'm reading on the book of my own life, and to a point the surface is alive. When I feel warm inside my stolen heart, I come to terms with making a new start. For a while, all I see is perfect shadows all around. And no, there's no room for one-track minds anymore. So much for me to do, so many things to prove.
Alright, there are so many abandoned restaurant that is, you know, closed, like behind me. Yeah, as you see, it's like, yeah, abandoned, and then next door abandoned. In this area only Ibiza in Bali beach club is open. So,
And the rest of the things, it seems
Yeah.
like really close or even abandoned, I could say.
yeah.
Alright guys, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. We just chilling little bit in Jimbaran area. Morning still in the Kuta. We're planning to go home, and I think that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you still enjoy it.
I hope that you still enjoy our video. Yeah, this is how we can vibe in Bali. Even the domestic tourists already open. I mean, like domestic flight already open, but yes, Bali is still quiet.
It's not much happening
Not much
actually, and this place where we're chilling now, Ibiza in Bali, is just open on Saturday, Sunday. Beach is super quiet, just
Yeah.
fishermen. Yeah, that's how it is. Like always, thank you so much for watching. A new vlog tomorrow at 7 p.m. Like always, something new. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you tomorrow, guys. See ya. Take care.
Bye.